Manual feed shears delivers smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. Utilizing gear engagement extends the service life of the machine. By adjusting the position of the rollers, this machine can produce 6 different profiles of rolling shutter slats. Upon completion of the roll forming process, punching and cutting operations are also required. The finished product features distinct patterns and exceptional fluidity, making it highly popular among major construction firms. Steelmama always give you proper solution.